Welcome to my new vlog. Today we are going to our sister house. He's bring something like specific things, and she bring a rice powder. I'm just making videos because I am not doing anything. I just talking. Yes. हेर्नुस् तपाई कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ केही जनता जान्न चाहन्छन्?
म चाहिँ I'm gonna sister home.
No, ससुराली
जान लाग्यो रे तर छैन.
She's going ससुराली, but we are going my sister house. And तिम्रो पहिलो चोटी हो कि दोस्रो चोटी कि फर्स्ट चोटी हो रे?
फर्स्ट चोटी.
उ चाहिँ फर्स्ट चोटी दिदीको घर जाँदैछ. अनि हामी चाहिँ आज सेलरोटी फेनी के बनाउने भनेर जाँदैछौँ. अनि त्यही हो. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe in our vlog YouTube channel because we don't have subscribers. Yes, guys.